Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Mr. Aravind. A day before I uploaded this video, on that video I created a clock using Python, but I created a digital clock. So in this video we are going to create a analog clock using Python. So if you're new here, I am Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind. In this channel I upload videos about hacking, programming, networking and all other IT and cybersecurity related stuff. So if you're interested on those things, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video.
Can you hear me? We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know what's real. Escape reality. Hardwired.
Finally, the coding part have been completed and the error solving part also have been completed. So I'm going to run this program. Let's see. Look at the clock. And that's about this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off from Mr. Aravind.